In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly Stripe integration. By the end, you'll have Calendly connected to Stripe so you can collect payments right when someone books time with you. Perfect for paid consultations, classes, or sessions. Start by opening Calendly in your browser and signing in so you're on your main dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the option labeled Integrations and Apps. Go ahead and click that. This opens Calendly's integration marketplace where you can explore everything that connects with your scheduling. You'll see a lot of options here, but we're focusing on payments with Stripe. To get there quickly, use the search bar at the top and type Stripe. You should now see the Stripe integration card. Click it to open the details page. This page gives you an overview of what the integration does and what to expect. When you're ready, select the button that says Connect with Stripe. Calendly will redirect you to a secure Stripe authorization page in a new tab. On the Stripe page, sign into your Stripe account by entering your email and password, then submit the form. If you have multiple Stripe accounts or businesses, choose the correct one for your Calendly bookings. Stripe may prompt you to confirm a few details or review permissions so Calendly can create charges on your behalf. Approve the connection to continue. For security, make sure you're signing in on Stripe's official page and keep your credentials private. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that step as prompted. Once the connection is successful, you'll be sent back to Calendly and should see confirmation that Stripe is linked. At this point, your Calendly account is ready to accept payments via Stripe during booking. If you don't see the confirmation right away, refresh the page or return to Integrations and Apps to verify that Stripe appears as connected. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure the Stripe account you connected is fully set up to receive payouts so funds aren't delayed. If you run into issues during the redirect or the login window doesn't appear, temporarily disable pop-up blockers or try another browser. And if you manage multiple teams or accounts, double check that you authorize the correct Stripe workspace to avoid confusion later. That's it, your Calendly and Stripe are now connected, paving the way to collect payments seamlessly as part of your scheduling flow.